Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll a bit down and select display. Now you should go to font size and style, and here you will be able to change it. So as you can see, here you can select the particular size of your font, so you can pick huge or some smaller one, so it's all up to you, just adjust it to your needs. And then you can also change the style of your font. You can pick one from the prepared one over here, so it can be default Samsung one or Gothic Bold. Obviously you can download some fonts if you want, but I will leave, for example, Gothic Bold, and as you can see now everything has changed. So if we will go back to font size and style, we can make it smaller, and let's go, for example, to Samsung one font. You can also bold this font, but I will leave it without it. So as you can see, it has also been changed. So that's actually it. This is how you can simply and easily change the font size and style in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Enjoy it, change it whenever you want to, whenever you need to, personalize your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.